Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a series of stretches that I've found to be very helpful in relieving my lower back pain. I've been suffering with it for the last couple of months. I've been super active and I have very tight quads and hip flexors and IT band. These stretches have really given me quite a bit of relief, so I want to share them with you. You want to hold each stretch for about 30 seconds and you want to do each one 2 to 3 times, okay? So it shouldn't take you longer than about 10 minutes. But before I show you that sequence of stretches, I wanted to share something that I've discovered recently. It's a great product for helping to improve the texture of your skin. And for me, I'm always self-conscious about how the texture of the skin on my legs looks. In the summer here in Canada, and anytime it's hot, I love to wear shorts. I play a lot of tennis. I wear lots of little short tennis skirts, and I'm 50 now, so I'm very conscious about how my legs look. This product is a cool sculpting gel product. It's called Cool Sensation Body Firming Gel. It's V-Gel, and I also got the little massage glove that goes with it. So when you put it on, you want to make sure that you don't have any body lotion or anything on, just your bare skin. It's better to do it at night because what happens when you put it on is your temperature drops. That area where you've put the gel becomes very cold and it's almost uncomfortable, okay? So I always put it on just before I go to bed so I can bundle up and feel warm. I've tried it a couple times where I've been walking around the house and it's freezing. I've just been freezing. So I like to put it on just before I go to bed, and I think it works better that way anyway. So just once a day for me, even though the instructions do say twice a day, so maybe it's twice as effective if you use it twice a day. I did notice an improvement in about 3 weeks, okay? So I'm just gonna do a little demo here, very simple. As I said, make sure you don't have any lotion on or anything. It's just on your bare skin. You rub it on your leg, and then you just take that V-glove, and this V-glove helps to make the gel, helps the gel penetrate that layer of skin a little bit better. So hopefully you guys can see that there, and I'm gonna have to probably wash this off because it's already starting to get cold. Okay, so it's not super unpleasant, it's just a little bit unpleasant. Anyway, always worth it, right? A little bit of discomfort for improvement in not only the texture of your skin, but if you have stretch marks, it's supposed to help the appearance of stretch marks as well. I can't really attest to that because I don't have stretch marks. Anyway, without further ado now, here is that stretching sequence. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and share. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And until next time, take care of you, be happy, be healthy, and get sweaty.